in this exercise, what we are just going to see is we will visualize the intelligence quotient, that is IQ, of 100 applicants using histogram and box plot. So 100 people have come for an interview in a company. So to place an individual applicant in the overall group, we want to have a histogram and a box plot, which has to be shall be used combinedly. Okay, and for that thing, the main function here we have been including is this one, that is the plot AXV line. AXV line, whereas here the function X, where this makes the vertical line of position X. Okay, vertical line of the position X, and the line style has also been given. Okay, and the main point which we want to be in conscious is actually we want to plot a histogram with 10 bins for the given IQ. So here the exact IQ score has been included, and the IQ scores are normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. Kindly have a note of it. Okay, so here it is said the bins are 10 and the exact score it is from 100. So visualize the mean as a vertical solid line and standard deviation by using the dashed vertical. That is what here we are just going to make it. That is difference between 15 plus and minus. Okay, and we want to add the labels as X labels and Y labels, and with a title, that is IQ score for a test group for the 100 adults. Okay, just let me just see one by one. So the first one is as to the same, importing the necessary modules and enable plotting with the Jupyter notebook. Here I just executed, dear friends. Yeah, it is done. And next comes the sample. Okay, here the IQ sample, what we have just specified is 100 values. Okay, so 100 values it was included. Let I just have it as the IQ score. Now I just want to create a figure, okay, where this one, it just shows the 10 bins for the given. Okay, and here I have just specified the 150, and my figure size would be 6,4. Okay, and let me just have the standard deviation of 15, so that 100 plus 15 and 100 minus 15, that was we have just taken into account. And let me just visualize this one. And here the exact line which we need is, see, actually the first plot line is the exact middle line, that is the mean value, and the next one, the dotted lines I need. Okay, 115 and 85. Okay, so here it is just shown. So 115 and here in 85 we are just getting the dotted lines. And next, dear friends, I want to do the same thing in a box plot. Okay, so let I just go for the same thing with the same categorizing. Okay, so create a box plot here. Okay, that one and only inclusion is plot dot box plot of that IQ score, where that IQ score here previously I have just given in the second cell for the 100 participants. Okay, and let I just have the X-Trix, that is the thing, as text group, and Y label as IQ score, and to the top title with 100 adults. So here it is the box plot. And added to this, dear friends, we can also make use as a group, different test group, and then we can use that data as like group A, group B, group C, and group D, where this everything. Okay, let me just create. Okay, first I just execute this group as a group A, B, C, D. Okay, and now let me just create a box plot for each of the IQ score for the different text groups. Okay, let I just execute 8, and here we are going to have the comparative of 4 box plots and which group is the best one. So according to that, we are just going to see, we have added the labels, we have added the titles, all the things, and the output just shows the different test groups, and which is the one prior to that of the test results.